In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to loft between sketches in Fusion 360. This is one of the most powerful and essential tools for anyone looking to create complex, organic, or transitioning shapes that go beyond simple extrusions or revolves. Whether you are designing industrial parts with shifting cross-sections or artistic models that require smooth blending between different geometries, mastering the Loft command is a total game changer for your workflow. It allows you to bridge the gap between two or more shapes on different planes with seamless transitions. If you find this tutorial helpful for your 3D modeling journey, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive Fusion 360 guides. Let's jump right into the software and get started. First, we need our base geometry, so we are going to create the first sketch. Navigate to the top left of your interface and click on Create Sketch. Choose your starting plane, such as the XY ground plane. For this example, let's draw the first profile as a circle. Select the Center Diameter Circle tool, click on the origin, and pull it out to a specific dimension. This represents the starting point of our lofted body. Once you are happy with the size, we need to prepare for our second shape. Since a loft requires distance between profiles, you will likely need to create an offset construction plane if you haven't already. But for now, let's assume you have your second plane ready. Create another sketch by selecting a different plane that is parallel or offset from your first one. On this new plane, we will draw another shape to transition into, such as a rectangle. Use the two-point rectangle tool to draw a profile directly above or shifted from your first circle. The beauty of the Loft tool is that it can handle two completely different geometric shapes. After you have both shapes drawn exactly where you want them in 3D space, go ahead and click Finish Sketch in the top right corner of the toolbar. Now that we have our profiles ready, it is time to turn these 2D drawings into a 3D solid. Go to the top menu, click on the Create drop-down menu, and select the Loft tool. This will open the Loft dialog box on the right side of your screen. Now, navigate to your canvas and select the profiles. Click the first sketch profile, which is our circle, and then select the second profile, which is our rectangle. You will immediately see a ghosted 3D preview connecting the two shapes. At this point, you can adjust settings if needed in the Loft palette. You can change the mapping, add guide rails for more control over the curvature, or change the transition type from connected to direction if you want a sharper or smoother exit from the profiles. Always check the preview window to ensure the geometry isn't twisting in a way you don't intend. If everything looks smooth and correct, go ahead and click OK. Fusion 360 will generate the solid body bridging those two sketches perfectly. And that is how you successfully loft between sketches in Fusion 360. It is a simple process that opens up endless design possibilities. If this video helped you understand the Loft tool better, please hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.